Okay, sorry guys, I got back for some reason when the video I was recording said she's here, and I said, who's here? And I heard a buzzing sound like a bee was flying in my face or in my ears. It was the weirdest thing. I stood up, I paused this,
Analyzed,
and next thing in message I get was soldier. And then I got analyzed just now. Do you have a problem with me recording you? Can you play with any of these devices I laid out for you? Those clear balls? Can you roll one? Can you light them up? Okay, you touched the REM pod or came close to it. Can you touch it again?
Amelia,
Amelia, is that your name? Tell me something about you, Amelia.
I'm outside.
Where? You're outside.
Something stirs.
Something stirs. I'm hearing a vibration.
Demonic.
I don't mess with demonic. Sorry. Ain't my cup of tea. If you guys live in the Texas area and you're looking to join a paranormal team, I am setting one up. I posted it on Facebook.
Concerned.
Concerned. What's concerned? Or why are you concerned? The camera I'm using tonight is a Hero 12 Black Edition. I like it. I do have a bigger camera. Shot.
Shot.
You got shot? When did you get shot? You know you can say more than one word to me on this device. Can you play with one of those EMF balls? They're the clear ones. They're on the floor. Can you touch one of them? Can you light them up? It'll let me know where you're at. There is, I think, 3 of them out. Any one of them.
Edge.
Edge. There is one on the edge of that tent thing over here. It's on the roof, on the edge. Can you push it off? How about the orange light?
1940s.
Oh. Okay, that went off, and I got 1940s. Okay, the REM pod went off, but it didn't make a sound. But I did ask, when did you get shot? Earlier. When it said shot, and then it said edge, and then now it says 1940s. Is that when you got shot? I like this device that I use, you guys. It really does work. You can download it on your own phone. Yes, it's an app. I played with other apps before and they worked like crap. And they seem to be fake, but this one is pretty much legit. I have not had any problems. Roger.
Roger.
Name's Mike. Nice to meet you, Roger. And I asked if you guys gotta follow that 1940s. I said, is that when you got shot? And it says Roger. Roger could be its name, or it could be saying yes, correct. And chose Roger instead of yes, or correct. Do you know what state you're in? There's a black little light.
Drown.
Drown. I got drown. There's a little purple looking blue whatever light on the counter. Can you dim that? Can you turn it off and on? Can you play with any of these devices so I know that you're around here? That you can hear me? You can hear my voice? Some of it might take energy. There's plenty of energy in this place. This apartment, there's tons of energy. You can literally show yourself if you wanted to. Or you can play with any of these devices, manipulate them, touching them, rolling them, turning them on and off. The sky's the limit. Well, for us, it's sky's the limit. I have seen shadows before.
Footsteps follow.
Footsteps follow. Alright, I'm gonna be quiet and see if I can hear that. Not sure if I heard what I was supposed to hear, but it sounded like cowboy boots with those spears on the end where you can hear them clicking. I've heard 2 sounds of that. Was that you? I don't know if the camera picked it up. Can you dim that light stick down the hallway? Can you play with any of these devices? Can you try?
Scar.
Scar. Okay. REM pod went off again. No sound. I got Scar for the voice that came through on it. I believe you guys heard that.
I like to talk.
Talk to me, please. But before that, can you do anything? I will talk to you. I have no problem. But I want to see if you can touch any of these devices. I know asking a lot doesn't really help. And I keep telling everybody on my YouTube that when they want to act with it, they'll react with it. If they don't, it don't matter.
Bicycle.
Bicycle. What about a bicycle? What are you trying to tell me about a bicycle?
Natalie.
Natalie. Hello, Natalie. Natalie, can you do anything? Can you walk in front of this camera? Can any of you walk in front of this camera? That would be the Holy Grail. If I see a shadow walk in the hallway to the other side of the wall, like straight across, like quick, it'd be something neat to see on the camera.
Deception.
Deception. What about deception? You know, if you talk loud enough to this camera, it could hear you talk without me even hearing it until I play it back. Have you tried that before? I'm not going to be on much longer. "18 minutes in. REM pod. Can you do that again with the REM pod?
Introduce yourself.
Introduce myself. My name is Mike. I'm a paranormal investigator, showing people out there that you do exist. If I can get any interaction or shadow or manifest or just showing yourself on the camera, that will tell people out there that there's more to believe.
The pit.
The pit. Are you in the pit? Can you show?
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Thank you. I'm glad you're here. Can you show yourself to the camera? It could be an orb, a light. I'm just panning the camera so you can stand in front of it. It doesn't hurt to show yourself. It's crazy, guys. I'm using a stick, just turning it barely with my hand. Now my purple light down there at the end of the hallway seems to be a little dimmer than what it was once. You guys might be able to see the difference as well. But it looks dimmer to my eyes. Are you in the hallway dimming that light? Can you dim it lower than that?
Shadow.
Shadow. Okay. I'm filming it down the hallway. Try to my best, stick out my hand. Can you cast a shadow down the hallway? Can you touch one of those clear balls? They're on the floor. There's two of them right here, and one on that tent looking thing. You have to put your hand on them, kind of move them if you can. If you can't, just touch them with your hand. They'll light up. They won't make a sound, so they're not going to scare you off, and it cannot hurt you because it's just lights. We can communicate a little more. You need to do something if you want me to keep on recording.
Don't be nervous.
I'm not being nervous. I'm trying not to be at all. Can you do something? Okay, REM pod. Can you do it again? Can you make a sound close by me? Okay, I'm getting sounds like walking in front of me. like right in front of me. It's like it's walking from here to there. K2 meters going off. Are you walking in front of me?
Burial.
Burial. I'm getting a little feedback kind of right here. My finger is at. Like something's trying to appear. I'm seeing this on the camera. If you want me to keep talking to you, can you please make yourself known? Play with one of these devices. Purple light's going dim in the hallway. I can see that with my own eyes. Play with something you haven't played with yet. Something close by.
Face.
Face. Okay. Face. Make a face on this camera. I won't even look.
Oblivion.
Oblivion. Okay. Can you make a tapping sound? Can you turn off that flashlight? It's on the counter. Can you turn it off? Close.
Close.
Close? Are you close? Are you close on turning it off? REM pod? Right below the light? 30 minutes in, guys. I'm only going to be on for another minute or two.
Healing.
Healing. What are you trying to heal? Can you please roll one of those little balls to me? Those clear ones? I don't know if you see it on camera, but I'm going to point. It almost looks like there is a shadow casting right here. And it moves. Keep touching that K2 meter, the green light.
We know you.
You know me. If you know me, then you know what I like for you to do, right? To play with my equipment. I'm hearing little noises, guys. Alright, my battery's down to almost 5%. It wasn't fully charged because I didn't expect to make a long video, but I'm probably going to end this here. I have to charge my batteries up. If you like the video, please subscribe, share on social media. If you live in the Texas area and you want to join my new paranormal team, hit me up on the comment below. I'm looking for a few people. I'm not going to be doing stuff like this. We're going to be going to like the Alamo and the haunted hotels and stuff like that.
Farm.
Farm. I got farm. I don't know why I got farm. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully it won't be in this place because by then I should have a team developed and start doing these different investigations. Make the videos better for you guys so you guys will enjoy them more. And the people that stuck around, thank you guys. It mean a lot. And keep watching my videos. They're getting better as they go. Peace out, guys. Laters.